First, I'm just going to apply my Lakme cream just to moisturize my skin well. After that, I'm just going to apply my inside primer. It is an amazing primer basically. इसको मैं अपने T zone पे apply करूँगी and then इस तरीके से पूरे face पे spread करूँगी. On my face, I'm just going to apply my Pond's BB cream. इसको मैं इस तरीके से dotted form में अपने पूरे face पे और neck पे apply करूँगी. Hide. Okay, so just to hide my dark circles, I am going to apply the Eyeshadow concealer. And then with the help of same powder, I'm just going to set the concealer on my eyelid so that कि वो melt ना हो. Okay, so for my eyelid, I'm just going to apply this dark shade first of all on my eyelid area. इसको मैं इस तरीके से अपनी eyelid area पे apply करूँगी. Brown shade. And then after that, I'm just going to pick this brown shade to add more depth on my eyelid. With the help of this flat brush, I'm just going to pick this brown shade and इसको मैं अपनी eyelid की lower lash line पे apply करूँगी. So now with this amazing palette, with this amazing Swiss Beauty palette, I'm just going to pick this shade, this brown shimmery shade, and इसको मैं अपनी eyes की eyelid पे बहुत हल्का हल्का apply करूँगी flat brush की मदद से. I'm just going to draw a thick wing liner. Basically मैं अपनी Miss Clear eyelash glue जो है इसकी मदद से एक thick wing liner draw करूँगी. And then I'm just going to remove the excess. And then I'm just going to do my eyebrows with the help of my Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil. Lash contour. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pinch this brush and just going to apply the contour.
What it is. The matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work.
And then from the same palette, I'm just going to pick, बहुत हल्का सा blush मैं apply करूँगी because इस pick में almost no blush दीपिका ने apply कर रखा है. Highlight my cheeks with the help of my Incolor highlighter palette, and just going to apply the highlighter on my brow bone as well. So I'm just going to apply my favorite Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. It is amazing and I'm just going to apply it.